Hello friends, this is a 2012 Dodge Avenger. It's got a crankshaft position sensor issue. Alright, the car is just driving down the road and it just cuts off, you know, like whoop, like it goes blank. And then I mean, you gotta pull over, you know, wait 20 minutes, 25 minutes, try to start the car starts right off. Well, you're not alone. It's a very common problem with this car. Actually, it's one of the most common diagnostic trouble codes that the computer shows up, okay? So stay tuned. All right, we're here underneath the car. As you can see, this is the engine oil pan, and then this is your drive axle, the drive axle. Okay, now back here, I'm gonna show you really good. Okay, now before going any further, remember friends, hit that subscribe button so that we can, you know, keep on making these videos. All right, now you see that shield right there? It's like a heat shield. It's gonna have two bolts. It's gonna have one 10mm bolt, which is this one right here, 10mm, and then back here there is a 13mm bolt. Okay, 13mm. You take those two out, and then this wire right here, you see this wire? That's the harness for the connector. Once you take those two bolts out, you just move the shield aside, and then disconnect the wire, and then your crankshaft position sensor is gonna be right there. I already took it apart, and we just wanted to show you because it was kind of tricky to get to it, where it is located. See? So once you take the shield out, there is gonna be a 10mm bolt that holds this guy in position. It sits just like this, so the bolt is upwards. It's really accessible once you have the heat shield out. All right, okay friends, that's it for this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.